Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me, as well as taking you guys along and showing you everything that I do for like my nighttime prep routine, like everything I do to kind of like prep for like a really easy, smooth morning. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it motivates you and inspires you to tackle your to-do list today. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. And yeah, it is almost time to go pick up Evie. So I am gonna go pick up Evie. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna have like 20 to 30 minutes. And then Evie actually has gymnastics tonight from 4:30 to 5:30. So I'm gonna try to get as much like prep and cleaning done in that hour that she's gone as I can. And then we'll pick back up like after dinner's all done, and like Chris will be doing bedtime with her and I'll get to cleaning. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay guys, so Editing Jessica is here to take you through this video. So I'm going to be starting in my living room. I really try every night to tackle the main spaces of my home. So my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen are like the ones that I really try to check those boxes. So that is what the living room looked like on this particular day. And unfortunately, I didn't get anything done in like that 20 minutes that we were home before gymnastics. Evie had a lot of schoolwork to talk to me about, and she was just really proud of herself, and that is way more important than cleaning. So I spent that time with her and just like reviewing her schoolwork and talking about her day. Um, so this was filmed when I had just got back from dropping her off at gymnastics. The gymnastics studio is very close to our home, and they actually don't really encourage parents to stay and watch just because of all like the COVID regulations. So I don't mind just coming home. Like I said, it's extremely close to our house, so I feel comfortable leaving. But yeah, so I am going to just wrap up in the living room very quickly, uh, just do like a good once over. I don't do any type of deep cleaning. Again, this is just a kind of like a daily like once over. So I just try to put things back where they belong and just try to hit the refresh button. But something that I do every night that is just very therapeutic to me, I don't know why, is I always set up my essential oils diffuser. That just really makes the space feel like cozy to me. And then, as well as I go into Evelyn's room right after this, and I pick out her clothes for that night, like what pajamas she's going to wear. And I also pick out the clothes that she's going to wear the next day. She is 6, and I know I'm going to get comments saying that, like, why doesn't she do that? It's honestly just like a fun little game that her and I have together. I really don't mind doing it at all. She always asks me, like, Mom, can you surprise me? She's just a silly little chicken nugget, and she loves for me to surprise her with like the clothes she's gonna wear. I don't know. Let me know if your kids are like this, but she's just very cute and just loves surprises, and she loves to see like what I pick out for her. Of course, there are days where she is definitely not interested in anything I pick out, and she will go and pick out her own clothes. But for the sake of this video, I picked out her clothes, as well as setting up the humidifier in her room, or the little essential oil diffuser. And right after I'm done picking out her clothes, I will pull her bed back and make it ready for time to snuggle and just get it ready for bedtime. And after that, I'll go into my room and I'm going to be picking out my workout clothes for the next morning.
So this is after dinner had wrapped up, and in the kitchen, again, kind of the same thing. I just go through the space. I don't do any deep cleaning. I don't do any thorough cleaning. I just try to put things back where they belong. I try to empty the sink every night. So I will hand wash any dishes that are left in the sink after the dishwasher is loaded. Every night, whether or not the dishwasher is loaded or the sink is full, I always wash her lunchbox, which you just saw. And right after this, I will be prepping her lunch. So I try to do as much at night as I possibly can. So, and as you're watching me clean our French press, I also prep coffee for the next morning. But um, I am a very lazy person in the morning. I'm trying my best to be a morning person, but it's very difficult for me, and I can talk myself out of literally anything. So, if there is even just a little bit of tension in the morning, like, oh, I forgot to pick up my workout clothes, guess I'll just stay in bed and not work out, or just like it's very easy for me to talk myself out of like being productive in the morning. So I set myself up for success as much as I possibly can at night. So that includes prepping coffee, that includes definitely getting Evie's school bag packed and getting her lunch made as much as possible, like her lunchbox packed as much as possible. So I will prep her snack, I will prep her lunchbox and put that in the fridge. I'll make sure her water bottle's ready to go. And then in her school, all the children are wearing masks. So I also make sure that I have a mask, like a fresh mask, ready to go in the morning. So in the morning, I can just wake up and throw that stuff in her bag and be ready to go. Next week, I actually am going to be showing you my morning routine. So this is like a good precursor to, I would make the argument that I do more at night than I do in the morning, but I'm still going to be taking you along that journey. I will be showing you my workout routine and everything like that. I've been trying to get up at 5. It's been a struggle, but I've really been trying again. So that really is all of like the school prep that I do. I have a couple more clips to play in the kitchen, so I will let that finish. And then I will give you a walkthrough of what the top floor of my house looks like the main spaces in my home look like every night. I'm not perfect and it's not perfect, but it's definitely a-okay for me.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burned.
Right. So at this point in the video, you probably are like, oh my God, this girl, like she has it all together. Like, look at her go. I'm totally joking. Like, if you guys are new here, like, I'm a total mess all the time. Like, I do not have it together. But I just wanted to show you that, like, while my upstairs looks good, like, this is what my downstairs looks like right now. So much laundry the other day, and here it all is. I haven't folded it. It's just been, like, sitting on the couch downstairs for, like, a couple days. Seriously, guys, like, it's really important to me to just like talk about this, that like no one has it together all the time. And if they say that they do, personally, I think they're lying. But if they really truly have it together all the time, like let me know their YouTube channel, and like they need to give everybody like their tips and tricks, because I don't know anybody that has it together all the time. Sorry, my cat. So I am going to take this makeup off because I'm all done wearing makeup. And I'm also gonna get in my jammies, and then I'm gonna fold some of this laundry. I doubt I'll get through all of it, but I would like to get through some of it. Usually the last thing I do at night is like after I do everything that you guys saw, I like to try to do just like one more thing, like one big thing that's not like, I mean, I guess it's daily cleaning. Like a lot of people consider laundry like a daily task. So I like to just do something laundry related every day, whether that's washing, drying, folding, like just something. So yeah, so I'm gonna get in my jammies. I'm gonna take this makeup off, and then we will get ready to fold laundry, or we'll be folding laundry. So that's gonna be the end of this video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to-do list, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I don't wanna sit here while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to